You didn't tell me it was your birthday.
Sorry.
No, don't apologize for your birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Wow.
Alright, we have to run.
Yeah, me too. You can tell me it was your birthday. These for the birthday boy.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Nathan!
That's all.
He got a present for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Of course.
Remembering.
Look, I told him I liked hoodies when I was at his house waiting for you. And he remembered.
Oh, thank you so much.
It's nothing. It's nothing.
Okay.
No, let him go first, you know. Let him. No, let him
Are
get.
you serious
Let
right
him
now?
eat his, you know.
It's enough for everybody. I have more.
No. This is okay. This is okay.
Okay.
All right.
So,
Thank you.
what?